What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is episode 93. So Palantir had a rough day. Palantir reported earnings yesterday, Monday the 6th, after close, and it did not look good. The numbers were the same, so nothing spectacular. Palantir's numbers in terms of earnings pretty much stayed the same. And then there was also an article that came out that just showed that in terms of European growth, the company is actually slowing. So Palantir is pretty much a software company. I think the core of the business is based around getting government contracts. So in the US, the contracts were still strong, but there is a decline in growth for Europe, and that's a problem. They also said on the call that the commercial sector in the US is also picking up based on the AI boom. I guess they were dropping the keyword AI in the call. Didn't really have much of an effect. If we look at Palantir yesterday, for the week, we could see here it's floating around 21, 22. Boom, 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 boom. We get to yesterday, which was the 6th at 4 a.m. It was 23. So from 21 to 22, it jumped up to 23, which, like I always tell you guys, you can make your money playing the run up. The run up meaning playing the momentum leading up to just before earnings. And just look at this. It went from 23, 24.17, boom, 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 and it just steadily keeps going up. So if you had gotten, say, a swing on Friday, you'd have made some nice change. It went all the way up here to 25, and I would have gotten out there right around like 3 o'clock. That's when people are going to start taking profits because you really don't know which direction it's going to go. And guess what? 4 o'clock hits, and boom, it goes down and does the electric slide. As of today, you guys can see it is sitting around $22.71. So this stock just, like I said, everything here, look, from here to here, it just jumped out the window. From 25 down to 22. If you're playing options, if you had a swing on this, hoping that it would go up, guess what, Poppy? You lost your money. That's why I said never play into earnings. Leading up, leading after. All right. So now, based on this direction, it looks like it's gonna go into it looks like it's going into territory. I'm sorry, but it is what it is. This is one of the stocks that has like a nice little fan base too. It's a cheap tech company. The guy is like a quirky Jewish black guy, and he looks he has a funny look to him, man. He kind of reminds me of the guy from Back to the Future. And he actually made headlines a couple months ago when he was talking about he had a video that went viral when he was talking about shorts loving to short good American companies because they want money to buy cocaine. So the guy's a little quirky. Is he a genius? 100%. Does this company have potential? 100%. This is one of the companies I would invest in, definitely for the long haul. And even though it's down now, you want to see this as opportunity. But let's go ahead and hop over to the article and just see exactly what's going on. So it says here, Palantir stock falls despite AI boom, propelling growth, Wall Street Journal. All right, so this article is from Wall Street Journal. And then if we just look at some of the key highlights, it says Palantir shares dropped more than 9% in pre-market trading Tuesday. And believe me, guys, it's only going to slide further. The shares have tripled over the past 12 months and have climbed around 8% in regular trading Monday. Like I told you guys, if you played the run-up, 8% gain, you could have made some serious money. Just get out before the earnings because you never know what's going to happen. All right. Some analysts and shareholders have worried about slowing momentum at Palantir as revenue growth from U.S. government contracts has shown signs of cooling, and some European governments have been reluctant to do business with Palantir. They didn't elaborate on why this is, but I do know on the call they said that their European government contracts, significantly slowed down. Usually, if you see a software company having government contracts, I can almost guarantee you their business is some type of encryption stuff. All right. So this company does have potential. It does have ties with the government. I think this is a good buy for the long term. So right now for me, it's on the dip. The stock likely fell because US commercial revenue growth sharply decelerated to 40% from 70% in prior quarter. William Blair analyst from Louis De Palma said in a report. So just overall decline on like US commercial business. US government revenue growth trails far behind the company's commercial growth, Palantir said Monday, but the private sector thirst for AI products helped Palantir broadly beat analyst expectations. So now there is a big demand for their AI products, I guess. So I only see this company going up in the future. Like I said, if it goes down on a dip, you want to get in. So let's go ahead now and just take a look at another article here. And this is from, I believe, Deutsche Bank, right? Which is a European powerhouse bank. It says Palantir Technology is maintained at a sell by Deutsche Bank. So again, that's not good. But let's go ahead now and hop into the charts and let's take a look at a couple of levels on Palantir. All right, so we have two channels set up here. So here was this lower channel, boom, 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 came down, broke, boom, 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 and then boom, look, we had a huge gap up, right? As you guys can see. Now this is on the daily chart, but we had a huge gap from here to here. So let me go ahead and just clone this line here. So click it, click here, click clone. And what I want to do is just set a little line right here, say right around the base of this candle. Reason why I'm doing that, if it starts to slide down, which this is where it was yesterday, right? So it was 25 something at 4 o'clock. We already know now, if we look here to the right, it's at 22 bucks already. So it's actually, the chart's not reflecting it now, but the stock price is actually here. If it comes down, right? So you could play it from here to here. Let's say it keeps going down. Once it breaks into this channel, I would say with like a second candle, like a strong candle and then a smaller candle. Or if you get like, let's say you get like some type of like a doji candle here or a hammer right around this area, then expect it to come all the way down and fill this gap. All right. Expect it to come all the way down and fill this gap. So that's what I would look at. But right now, even though, like I said, the stock is down from what, 25 yesterday to 22, you could still buy in. But I would watch this area and try to get in here if it starts to fill this area. And chances are it's going to fill this area. All right. If you're playing puts, I would do a swing on this and I would set it, for a while, because this is not the fastest moving stock. But let's see how the market responds when it opens up. And from there, you can figure out what you want to do. All right. But that's it for the video today, guys. This was just a quick update on Palantir and what happened at earnings. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please consider subscribing. Also, go ahead and like this video and share it with a family member or friend. At the end of the video, you will see 4 cards displaying different videos that I've made. Please go ahead and click and watch another video. I make new videos like this every day, and I try to make videos that provide value. Thanks again for watching this video. I do appreciate it. Stay safe, and y'all have a blessed day. Peace.